Hi, this is Doug Jones at Mortgage Magic, and I want to tell you about the Home Affordable Foreclosure Alternatives. Now, this is a program, it's not quite new, but it's now being implemented, and it's under the Home Affordable Modification Program. What this means to you is that if you're in a situation, and if you qualify, now you qualify most of the time, it has to be the home you live in, it has to be your primary residence. But here's what I think is going to happen. I think this is going to spill over into the attitude even for non-owners and other loan products. But right now, you see a lot of people try for modification. A lot of people are turned down. Only about 10 or 15% of the people are approved for modification. But the way this new program works is that if the bank says, okay, we're going to foreclose on this property, now the bank has to contact the consumer and they have to offer that consumer a modification application. If the consumer is turned down for the modification, then the bank has to say, look, let's see if we can do a short sale. Let's say they're turned down for the short sale. Then the bank says, well, let's do a deed in lieu. If it's turned down for a deed in lieu, then it goes to foreclosure. Let me tell you what the change is. The change is right here. We do a lot of short sales. We represent buyers, we represent sellers in a lot of short sales, and it's always this hostile environment. You call a bank up, you say, I got an offer, I want to do a short sale. They don't want to hear that. And you can't blame them, they're going to lose some money here. But now the government's saying, look, banks, we want you to initiate this action. So the banks are going to start thinking, okay, this is something we got to do. I think it's just going to change the attitude, and I think you're going to see more banks become more friendly and more and have better guidelines and better outcomes on short sales. If they can't do a short sale, the bank's saying, give us a deed in lieu. What a deed in lieu is, let's change the word in lieu to instead. Give me the deed to your house, give me the keys to your house instead of foreclosure. Now, what this does for the bank is that they get to take the property quicker. The property does not sit there vacant. It's not subject to vandals. What it does for the client is, in some cases, the bank will give $1,500, $3,000 to the client for moving out, and the client can make their decisions and go ahead and get their life started again. So I think this is a good program, the Home Affordable Foreclosure Alternative. Look for it. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help you with it.